Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Arika from Arika's Vanity. Today's tutorial is all about those hot pink lips and those cut crease eyes, which I recently did on this Eid. So it's a very festive Eid kind of a look. Without any further ado, let's get into the tutorial. First thing first, I am going in with my Veil Mineral Based Primer by Hourglass. Now for the foundation, I am using Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I am in shade 1W1 Bone. I've already color corrected my under eyes with an orange concealer. Now I'm going in with LA Girl concealer in shade Nude. Not a very big fan of this concealer though. Baking it all with my favorite translucent powder by Laura Mercier. For bronzing my face, I'm using Balm Cosmetics Bahama Mama bronzer. It's a very good shade for Asian skin tones, I believe. For doing my brows, I'm using Morphe E29 brush, and along with that, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Pro Pomade in shade Dark Brown. I'll be using Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. Using a blending brush by Krylon, I'm going in with the shade Musk in my crease. Now taking Amethyst from the palette, I'm going in the outer corner of my crease using a slightly shorter blending brush. For making this color more vibrant, I'm using a blush shade from my Sephora kit, which is a magenta pink. Going in my crease and blending both the colors out. Here I'm using a clean blending brush to blend both the colors in. Now taking my LA Girl concealer again and going to create a cut crease. Using a flattened brush, just going in with the natural crease line and create a cut crease. Cut crease usually make your eyes look bigger and open more wider. So for people who want to make their eyes look bigger, they must go and use this technique. Now taking Angelic from the palette, which is one of my favorite shimmer shades, I'm going in on the concealer part on my eyes. Here I'm using a flat brush by Lancome Cosmetics. Some white glitter dust from Krylon, I am going in on my lids. Now using black eyeliner by Krylon, I am going in and creating a wing. Using the same eyeliner, I'm going in the outer corner of my eyes for a very smoked effect. For blending, I'm using a pointed blending brush by Lancome Cosmetics. Now dusting away everything that you had and blending all the harsh lines on your face with a clean brush. Taking Oud from Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, I'm going in for my lower lash line just to create the similar smoke effect. Taking Amethyst from the palette again, and I'm blending both the colors. Now taking Desert Sand from the palette and going in on my brow bone and the inner corner of my eyes. Just to give a finishing effect to my liner and my eyes, I am going in with my concealer using a flat tip brush and just wiping off the excess pigment that have fallen out. For blush, I'm using Fat Boy by Balm Cosmetics, which is a cool tone of pink shade. Always use a very light hand to do your blush or highlighter, anything on your foundation, so that your foundation stays intact to your skin. For highlighter, I'm using Mary Luminizer from the Rockstar palette by Balm Cosmetics. Here I'm using a highlighter brush by Real Techniques. Now for the lips, I'm going in with Marc Jacobs Jolly Molly lipstick, which is a very beautiful candy pink kind of a shade. You'll love it. So here we are with the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed creating this look. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and ring the bell button so that you get notified every time I upload a video. Don't forget to give your feedback in my comments, and take care. Love. Allah Hafiz.